Welcome to the Factory Cat XR Use and Care video number 3 of a 3-part series. Before starting your cleaning day, fill your XR with 68 gallons of cleaning solution located in the solution port shown here. A note of caution: use only low foaming chemicals, only liquid cleaners, no powders. It is important that the chemical is not flammable and the water does not exceed 135 degrees Fahrenheit or 57 degrees Celsius. Do not use high percentage bleach chemicals and only use facility approved chemistry. For further questions, contact your facilities manager. When selecting the brush for your XR, make sure that it is designed to clean the type of floor in your facility. Always initially run in inconspicuous area to ensure that the brush is working properly. Setting controls for single pass scrub. Number 1, turn your key to the on position. Your LCD panel will activate. Number 2, depress the Uni-Touch button. This will automatically activate your vacuum and scrub brush when the motion pedal is depressed. Number 3, set your solution. Number 4, set brush pressure. Caution, always start on 2 bars on the LCD panel. If your XR is equipped with a side broom, they can be activated by flipping the yellow switch on the side operation panel as shown. Once the control panel is set, depress the motion pedal to activate the drive and the system settings. Note, when your foot is removed, the machine and all set functions will come to a stop automatically. When scrubbing with your XR, it is important to locate wet floor signs throughout the area in which you will be scrubbing. Double scrub mode. When operating your XR in the double scrub mode, leave your vacuum button in the off position. This will leave your squeegee in the up position and allow you to lay solution evenly. Once you have laid enough solution, turn your vacuum button to the on position, which will activate your vac motor and lower your squeegee, and recover the cleaning solution as shown. Your XR comes with a machine and battery maintenance chart. Post these charts where they are readily visible, preferably by your cleanout or battery charging station. End of day maintenance. At the end of your scrubbing cycle, drain your XR in an approved floor drain as shown. If your solution tank should need evacuation, simply remove the solution tank clear hose as shown and drain accordingly. Once your recovery tank has been evacuated, with the drain hose in the down position, flush your recovery tanks clear of dirt and debris. Once the recovery tank is flushed, remove your drain saver and empty any captured debris that may be found in it as shown. Once emptied, flush with clear water and replace. Next, remove your float shutoff and rinse till it is clean. Make sure that the float balls are operating correctly, and once done, replace accordingly. Next, it is important to wipe down the tank bead and recovery tank lid seals so that they are free from soil and are in good working condition. Next, clean the bead and the seals on the sight dome, and wipe the inside of the sight dome till it is clean. When replacing the sight dome, make sure that the chain lanyards are set free from the sight dome as shown, ensuring a good tight seal to the recovery tank lid. Remove your squeegee and flush until it is clear of all dirt and debris. Check the squeegee rubbers for any types of wear. If needed, replace. Lastly, wipe down your XR with a spray and wipe cleaner. Doing so will help maintain the investment that you have in your XR. A note of caution, do not spray your XR's control panel with water. Doing so may result in damage to the machine's electronics. When charging your XR, first plug the large Anderson plug into the charge port as shown. Next, plug your XR battery charger into an approved AC outlet. Your battery charger will automatically turn on, charge, and turn off when the charging cycle is complete. Squeegee maintenance. To adjust the squeegee of your XR, first find the gold-colored squeegee pitch knob located at the top of the squeegee mounting bracket as shown here. Turning the squeegee knob clockwise will pitch the squeegee tips down. Counterclockwise will pitch the tips up. To adjust the down pressure on your XR, loosen the lock nuts on the rear of your squeegee casters as shown. Lifting the casters up will lower the squeegee, thus increasing squeegee pressure. Lowering the casters will raise the squeegee, thus reducing squeegee pressure. Once your adjustments are complete, retighten your lock nuts. Squeegee replacement. When replacing the squeegees on your XR, look for the number embossed on the squeegee's top left side. This will determine the size of your XR squeegee. To replace the rear wiping squeegee of your XR, unclip the quick disconnect toggles as shown and swing the backing band to the open position. Once open, release the hinges as shown and remove the squeegee rubber from the set pins. Once completed, install the new squeegee, making sure that the squeegee rubber lines up with the set pins, as demonstrated here. Once the squeegee rubber is in place, reinstall the backing bands and reclip the quick release as demonstrated. To replace the front squeegee, remove the 8 thumb knobs starting first from the center and releasing outwards towards the end. Remove the last thumb screws on the ends last. Once removed, release the backing band and remove the front squeegee as demonstrated. The XR's wiping squeegee has 4 usable edges that can be flipped as needed. front squeegee is slotted with two different slot patterns. One side has 6 slots, and the opposite side has 8 slots. The squeegee can be flipped to prevent squeegee cavitation, which will allow you to operate on virtually any floor. For more information about your FactoryCat XR scrubber, visit us on the web at www.factorycat.com. Click on the Scrubbers tab and then click on your XR. Located on the Information tab at the bottom of the page, you will find technical specs, XR information brochures, preventative maintenance schedules, recommended spare parts, machine upgrades, operation manuals, parts manuals, machine comparison guides, and videos on your XR. By clicking on these tabs, such as the PM tab, you will have a detailed form to allow you to perform a detailed inspection of your XR. Or call your installing dealer for a factory-certified PM program that will allow you to maintain the investment in your FactoryCat XR scrubber. We're FactoryCat, putting the power of the cat to work for you. For more information about this product, contact us on the web at www.factorycat.com or call us toll-free at 1-800-634-4060. On behalf of all of us here at FactoryCat, we thank you for watching this video.